guys, it's Kimmi. I know you're here for the video and I'm gonna let you get right to it. But first, I have to tell you about the Notary Business Success Mentor Program if you have not heard. And it includes everything you need to get started in your business to teach you how to properly notarize using our course, Notarize Like a Pro. Apostilles, field inspection, ink fingerprinting, you name it, we got you covered. So check it out, including weekly live trainings and a 7-day-a-week chat. Oh yeah, you heard it right, 7 days. So check it out, notaryeducators.com. Bye, enjoy the video. If the price is right, okay, I always say that, if the price is right, because I don't encourage you driving an hour for $30. And I do say take lower paying jobs, so I'm not being hypocritical when I say that, but you got to make it make sense. The math has to math. So I'm gonna take y'all to this actual house with me when I drop off the documents. I've already been in contact with the client. She's in another meeting. She's on Zoom in a meeting, so she's not able to come out, which is fine. I didn't want her to come out. I'm just gonna drop it off. I checked it, I double checked it. Now I will tell you a couple more tips about translation services too. Even though you don't speak the language, try to double check what numbers are on your original, if you can read it. If you can read it, try to double check your numbers, because I had a situation a few weeks ago and one of the numbers was wrong. Was it 1 or 2, Jeffrey? How many numbers was wrong? That translation, and who caught that? You or me? I think I did. Yeah, we caught that mistake. He can talk. Hold on. What happened with that? Can you talk? Now he is driving, so
yeah. So
really quick. Yeah, what happened?
Is this the right here?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was something with the person's birth date. I think the birth date was off, and in this case, it was the actual numbers were not correct. So, like Kimmy's mentioning, it could be, now if you can read it. Now, if it's like Chinese or Japanese with symbols and stuff like that, you're not going to know. I mean, but if it's numbers that are semi going from English to whatever that language is, then try to match it up and make sure that it looks correct. Yeah.
Not a man of many words, right? But y'all understand.
Well, I'm driving.
He is driving. It is defense. He is driving. All that being said, like you said, double check those numbers though if you can. Okay, double check those numbers. And I will let my clients sometimes double check the documents to make sure, but you just don't want to send them all your information about what translation company you're using, how much the fee was. Your client don't need to know all of that. That's private, okay? That's private. Okay, let's see. We have Lori says, I'm offering them but not have had any requests yet for anything. Yeah, Lori, make sure it's on your Google page. Make sure you have pictures about it. Do some blogs about it. People need to know that you do it, okay? Sheena says, I didn't know we could. Thanks for this info. Oh yeah, this ain't just info. You know, I appreciate that, Sheena. I do. I had somebody the other day mention something. They was like, oh, thank you for the content within the sessions. This is the street right here. You can make a U-turn. I really want you guys, no, but that was the street right there.
But don't do a loop.
It does do a loop. I really want you all to take the information and make money with it. I'm not just doing this just because. You can actually offer translation services. So yeah, it's good information, but I actually want you to execute so you can put it in your business and start making money. How do I make money from translation services really quick? So of course, anything I do, I'm facilitating it. So I'm gonna add a little fee to it, right? You can add a traveling fee, like I'm delivering these documents to the client. In this case, I could have had them pick it up, but I'm going to drop it off because I'm en route somewhere to my other appointment. Taking it, and then I can charge a travel fee taking it to them. So all of this is discussed in my translation services course, and that's also included within the mentorship program. We decided to go back to one mentorship program. Again, in your business, you're going to have to make changes. So we found that most people want to be a part of the $47 plan so they can come to the meetings. And that's when you're going to really grow your business. My people that are in meetings and actually participate, they are blowing up. Okay. It's around the corner. It's around the corner. So that's how you're going to really benefit. So all 16 courses, the translation services, even the apostille course is included. Everything you need to grow your business is included in the courses, in the course library. How to basic notarizations. Most of y'all need help with that. So, and how to start and grow your business, the actual build your business course step by step. So let me look at this really quick. Hold on, because we had a couple of questions. I'm getting ready to get out and take this up there. Lisa says she did a job 2 days ago. Oh, she did an hour away job 2 days ago. Last minute request. Pay was great, and he even gave her a tip. Lisa's in mentorship, y'all. And she's one of my teachers. I told you. I was the only person able to complete it out of 3 notaries. Do y'all see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? And a lot of times people say, well, ain't no jobs out there. There's no notary jobs. They don't need me. It's oversaturated. Not true. Not true. It's about you. Okay? It's about you. All right. Let me, can you put this in here for me, too? I'm going to walk it up there because I didn't want to take my hand off the camera. Yes, Lisa. Like Lori said, you go. You go. Because everybody's not out here about their hustle. Lisa be out here doing it. Thank you, Ma'am. All right. We're going to walk up here and put this on the door. And she can get it later and call me if she got any questions. See, all this is work, y'all. But anyway, I got the package. Got the package. I'm dropping it off. I ain't gonna show y'all their house because they are, you know, people can be funny. I'll show you the neighborhood in a minute though. And then here go a little nut thing so I can trip and fall. All right, you gotta be careful when you're out here. I usually wear my flats. Some people like to wear heels and look all cute. And I love that, but your girl gotta be careful because I can't be out here falling. So I just dropped it off at the client's house. And I texted them earlier and let them know I was going to be doing that. So again, today was translation services. And I gave y'all quite a few tips. I'm going to read y'all comments. Let me get back in the car. Hold on. You definitely get your workout on out here. That's why I don't wear heels. A lot of times you see me wearing my t-shirts and my nice pants or whatever. Hold on. Because I don't know where I might be notarizing. Where I'm... Jeffrey gonna hold the stick for me. Yeah, I don't know where I might be notarizing or anything. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Memoir. So... And then I had to walk up them steps, trying not to fall on the acorns. But mission accomplished. We dropped it off. Okay, let's see. So Vita the Queen. Vita the Queen. What's up, girl? Vita says, hi, Kimmy. Can I notarize docs in other countries and other states? Other states?
Turn right onto Hewitt Road Southwest.
Technically, the answer is yes. Yes. Other states, you have to know how to properly notarize. Okay, you can do all states if you're Ron. That's a whole nother topic. But you have to know the process. This isn't just a yes or no, really, because there's a process for everything. So to answer your question, can you notarize for other states and other countries? Yes. Your notarization piece always has to be in English, but everything is a process. I can't just generically say, yeah, you can do a Japanese document, which you may be able to, but you got to know the process. Okay, and that's not something I can teach you right here. All right, but mentorship will help you. And sometimes people want to try to join mentorship and say, well, I'll just watch all the videos in one day. You can do that. I'm not offended at all. I have people say, well, this lady called me the other day. She said, yeah, I'm going to just watch it and I'm going to quit. Okay, that's up to you. What you put into it, you're not doing anything to me. You're just shortchanging yourself. You know? So I believe in just walking the right road, do it the right way. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. There's no way you can learn everything from anyone in one day, you know? So just do whatever you think is best for you and your business. We're here to support you the best that we can.